Hello, hi friends. My name is minalkhona. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to start with Tally Prime implementation. Now we were talking about accounting or writing accounts on any accounting software. To start with, we are going to explore a few accounting softwares to understand whether my implementation changes or it doesn't change, right? So what are the key concepts which you should be aware of? That is, if you have seen my previous blog, you would know. One, I should know while I'm creating a business company, my basic details should be perfect. The way I have implemented that details, that should be perfect. After that, I should take care of what are my implementation steps, that is features, creation of my groups, ledgers, units, and so on. Right. So let's go ahead. Let's start with Tally Prime. Let's explore Tally Prime first, and then we'll go ahead with other accounting softwares too. All right. Now, if you have downloaded Tally Prime for the very first time, you can go on Tally Solutions website and you can very easily download the latest version of Tally Prime. Earlier, Tally Prime was Tally ERP, and now it has upgraded to Tally Prime, right? Now, if you are downloading Tally Prime for the very first time, you're going to get a screen like this. And if you have already downloaded Tally Prime and if you have a few companies already created on your software, in that case, the shortcut to create a new company, on the screen, I can see create company. And if you already have a few companies on your software, in that case, Alt K, create. That is the option to create a new company. So if I click on create company, this is going to take me on the creation screen. Now this is my creation screen. The very first, I can see company data path. So if you wish to change the data path, I can. Otherwise, Tally by default has created one data path, right? So I think all of you would have the same data path. If you wish, you can change it, and otherwise, I keep it to what the by default part is created from. Here you're going to create the company's name. Say my company's name is Raj Industries Private Limited. Now, where is your company registered? Right. So wherever your company is registered, that is your place or that is the address which you need to feed into it. Now, while you're writing your books of accounts, address and the basic details would play a very important role. If you're registered under GST, again, my state would play a very important role. So here you're going to give an address. Say I'm giving an address of 500. My state is say Maharashtra. PIN. So you can give your PIN code here, telephone, mobile details, fax, email, website. These are your basic details of your company. While you are going to write your books of accounts, you're going to print your books of accounts from here, you're going to print your invoices from the system, you're going to do the reporting from the system. For all of this, the basic details will play a very important role. Right. Now, here on my right hand side, I can see financial year beginning from, books beginning from. Now, you would wonder whether financial year beginning from and books beginning from, will they be same or can they change? Now, financial year beginning from would depend on which country you are in. Meaning, in India, the financial year which we follow is from 1st April to 31st of March, right? And therefore, my financial year beginning from is always 1st April. What about books beginning from? Now, if you are a going concern, meaning a running company or already established business, in that case, books beginning from would also be 1st April. But what if you have just started your business? You have commenced your business in the middle of the year. In that case, your books beginning from would be different, right? Otherwise, so if you are going consent, it would be same. Now, these are the basic details while you're creating your company, which you should be implemented. Now, base currency. So, where are you writing your books of accounts? In which country is your business established in, registered in? That would be your base currency. So, I'm not changing that base currency, and I can simply save the data. Now, I have an option of accept. I can just click on enter and say yes. And suppose say if I was on INR and I did not wish to go to one more click, enter and accept. In that case, do I have some shortcut to save this? So yes, I do have a shortcut, which is Control A. Control A is to save and close. So as we go on working on different softwares, we are also going to learn the shortcuts which are related to this softwares. Okay, every software has its own set of shortcuts which makes our work easier, right? So I can just say yes, and my company is created. The next screen which you are going to see is features. Now features we are going to see in the next video. So stay tuned. Hope you liked it. Thank you.